Everyone online says roll everything or fold everything. But after actually testing my drawers, I realized something surprising. Some clothes take up more space when you roll them. And it comes down to one thing most people ignore: your drawer depth. My drawers are shallow, and that one detail completely changes what works. So today, I'm walking you through my exact system, what gets rolled, what gets folded, and why. Because we have to organize for the space we actually have, not the Pinterest closet we wish we had. Hey, this is Mia of Pretty OCD, where organizing meets functional systems, no nonsense reviews, and style without the Pinterest perfect pressure. Today we're getting into my drawer system, how I decide what gets rolled and what gets folded, and why I stopped guessing and started testing. Let's get into it. Let's start with jeans because this is where rolling really shines. With one important exception, let me show you. So when we're looking at those jeans, lay the jeans flat. Fold them in half, lengthwise, leg on leg. Then tuck the crotch section inward so you can get a clean rectangle. We're not storing denim origami over here. We just want the shape even. Now fold the bottom of the pocket area around the hip and begin to roll and tighten. Roll and tighten. Denim is thick, so don't worry about wrinkles. Once you put them on, those creases will fall right out. Now here's the exception. I don't roll wide leg or flare jeans. Those get hung. But let me show you something though. These are my rolled jeans in a shallow drawer. With my drawers being shallow, I can only fit about 8 pair. And if I were to fold them, I probably would only get half that amount in this case. So what I actually use is this storage piece right here. Same rolls, but now I can see everything, access everything, and fit way more. I have 18 pairs of jeans in this storage solution. 8 versus 18 is definitely what I needed. My storage solution is also a bench, so it's a 2-for-1, which is my kind of deal. Sometimes the technique is right, but the furniture is wrong. Okay, t-shirts. Now I have to be honest with y'all. I was rolling my tees. I roll my jeans, so I figured tees get the same treatment, right? But something felt off and my drawers are shallow and the rolls were taking up more space than I expected. So I tested this. I took the same stack of shirts, rolled them, and folded them file folder style. And y'all, more shirts fit when they were folded. Lay the shirt flat. Now this is where I use my Box Legend folding board. It gives you the perfect fold every time. Speeds up the folding process, and it actually sets your shirts up whether you want to roll them or fold them. Just place the shirt on the board, flip the panels over. Now you've got a clean, even fold. From there, you can fold it in half or thirds depending on your drawer depth. Now stand them upright like files. Now every shirt is visible and you can flip through them like a file folder. In shallow drawers, this method wins. But if your drawers are deep, rolling might work great for you. Don't assume you have to test it. Take 10 shirts, try both methods, and see what your drawer is like. Next up, bodysuits. And if you wear these, you already know the struggle. They're slippery, stretchy, and they unfold themselves the second you look away. Now you can also use the Box Legend shirt folder for bodysuits as well. Follow the same process that you would for a t-shirt. Lay the bodysuit flat, fold each side over, then fold the snap part up and fold it in half. And you can get the same effect that you would that we're folding the t-shirts. You may have to make a few adjustments on the snap area. But that's one way to do the box fold legend. Also, the way that I typically do it, I don't use the box legend for bodysuits. I lay the bodysuit flat, fold in the arms. I just do it manually. And then I fold the snap section upward. Now roll it tight. That snap closure actually helps hold the roll together. No clips, no rubber bands, just the garment doing the work. Look at that, tiny rolls, easy to see, easy to grab. And bodysuits were basically made for rolling, especially when you have an egregious amount like I do. So we rolled jeans, we folded tees, which I'm still not over, and bodysuits got rolled. So what's the pattern? Honestly, it depends on the item and the space. But there's one more category that gets folded for a completely different reason. Two-piece sets, loungewear sets, workout sets, matching pieces, these get folded together. First reason is simple. They're too bulky to roll. When you try to roll both pieces, the roll gets thick real fast and actually takes up more space in the drawer. But the second reason might be even more important. If you separate the pieces, you'll lose one. I don't care how organized you are, it will happen. One half disappears and suddenly you're standing there holding the top like, where did the other half go? So the system is simple. They stay together. Now for our two-piece sets. We're going to fold our top using the same technique we did for our t-shirt folding method. Now for the bottom, we're going to fold the bottom in half the same way we do our jeans. We want a nice straight line. So we're gonna tuck that crotch over, lay the top next to the bottom so that we can measure it for even folding. Once we get even fold sections, we place those in the drawer together. Now when you grab one piece, you grab the whole outfit. No digging, no mismatched sets, no where's the other half at 7 a.m. And this is really the point of the system. It's not about rolling or folding, it's about matching the method to the item. And for sets, keeping them together is the method. Real question, what are you fixing first after this? Tees, jeans, sets, or what's that one thing in your drawer that never stays put together? Let's talk about it. Hit subscribe if you want more systems like this. Don't deny what you know.